Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now let's tap on the settings icon. Here we have to tap on this middle icon which will open, let's say, the standard photo mode, and obviously that was a misclick, so let's tap on this middle icon and here we've got the self timer option, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got the timer turned off, this option is marked, but we can also set 2 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is simply tap on the option like to use. As you can see, the icon immediately changes, and after getting back to the camera you can also see new icon which is here, which will tell us for how long we've got the delay applied. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see right now your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let me set the self timer for 2 seconds. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. And after turning off the self timer, it is obvious your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.